Hello student, I am Dr. B.K. Varun from Medco Point Patna. The today class is the Protozoa. This is also a class of Protista. So this Protista kingdom includes the protozoans. So what is the characteristic of Protozoa? So the Protozoa, these are the heterotrophs and these are predators or parasitic. So these are predator or parasitic because it is heterotrophs. And two exceptions, that is the Chlamydomonas and Chlorella. Initially it includes the algae, that is the plant. So the Chlorella and Chlamydomonas includes the initially plant, that is algae, but with cell wall. And the Paramecium and amoeba initially includes the animal, that is Animalia group. But at present these are the protozoa, but without cell wall. So these are the exception. So this protozoa is actually divided into the four group on the basis of locomotion. So this first group is, that is Rhizopoda or Sarcodiana or amoeboid protozoa because they are pseudopodia like locomotion. And second is the flagellated protozoa, that is also called Mastigophora on the basis of locomotion, that is locomotion is flagellata. It may be Phytomastigophora or Zoomastigophora, that is phytoplankton and zooplanktons. And the ciliated protozoa, that is the locomotion by the cilia. There is Paramecium, and Sporozoa without any locomotory organs, and the spore-like formation in their life cycle. And their habit and habitat is very important. That is it is present in the protozoa, mainly present in the fresh water or in sea water, fresh water or in sea water, and some is the free living and few is parasite. But mostly the flagellated protozoa is free living or parasitic. Some is aquatic. And ciliated protozoa mainly fresh water and marine as well as few parasite. But the sporozoa whole is endoparasite because present in the blood. This is plasmodium present in there as endoparasite. And the special character is that is a silica cell present in the amoeboid protozoa. And the flagellated protozoa, the important character is the rare sexual reproduction occurs. And with diverse type of associations, some means commensalism, such as one is benefited but other has no effect. Symbiosis, both benefited, and parasitism, that is parasitic, that is host parasite relation. And the ciliated protozoa, that is the gullet present for ingestion, and egestion also takes place. And in the sporozoans, that is the infectious spore-like stage present in their life cycle. So these are the four groups on the basis of locomotion. And AFMC, that is the code for these. A stand for amoeboid protozoa, FM means flagellated mastigophora, and C means ciliated, S means sporozoa, AFMC. And the character is, an example is very important, such as the amoeboid protozoa or Sarcodiana rhizopoda includes the amoeba, and amoeba mainly present in the fresh water. Second is the giant amoeba, that is Pileomyxa, and int amoeba. Int amoeba has actually three species: int amoeba histolytica, int amoeba gingivalis, int amoeba coli. Int amoeba histolytica causes amoebic dysentery. And radiolaria. Radiolaria is very important because the maximum number of chromosome present in radiolarians, and it has radial symmetry. All protozoa and the amoeba is the asymmetric, but radiolaria is radial symmetry. The flagellated protozoa, most example is the trypanosoma, and trypanosoma, that is also causes the trypanosoma causes sleeping sickness. Trypanosoma equipodum, trypanosoma gambiensis, trypanosoma rhodiensis, trypanosoma curjai, that causes the Chagas disease in children. And their vector is CC fly, mainly in trypanosoma gambiensis, African sleeping sickness. And the vector is CC fly, and the zoological name is Glossina paspallis. And second is the example Leishmania, that is Leishmania donovani, Leishmania tropica, Leishmania equipodum. And Leishmania causes the Kalajar, that is mainly Leishmania donovani. And their vector is called sandfly, that is the zoological name Phylogotamus argentifus. And next is Trichomonas vocalis, which causes the pyorrhea, aggravate the pyorrhea. And Trichonympha. This Trichonympha is a protozoa, that is flagellated protozoa, present in the rumen and reticulum of the ruminant animal and responsible for formation of cellulose enzyme and help in digestion of cellulose in ruminant. Lophomonas is also an example of the Mastigophora. It is present in wood roaches and it is responsible for the digestion of cellulose as a symbiotic relation, because wood roaches, that is the orthopodans, and their intestines consist Lophomonas. So Lophomonas is responsible for formation of cellulose enzyme, and due to wood roaches intake the wood, so wood consists cellulose, so the digestion of cellulose takes place. Giardia is very important because it causes the intestinal infection. So it has the flagella. So this flagella like a structure is present. So Giardia is also called grand old man of intestine. And Protospongia, that is the connecting link between protozoa and a sponge. So these are examples. Ciliated protozoa that has the cilia is present. And best example is Paramecium, that is also called sleeper animalcules. And it has two nucleus. One is micronucleus for sexual reproduction and one is macronucleus, that is meganucleus for vegetative reproduction. And gullet is present for ingestion. And B. coli, that is Balantidium coli, is also example. Opelina is also example present in frog. Nectotherus, this is also a ciliated protozoa. And Asporozoan best example is Plasmodium. Plasmodium has the different 4-5 type of species: Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malari, Plasmodium gibsoni, Plasmodium falciparum. The most dangerous malaria is Plasmodium falciparum because it causes cerebral malaria, brain water fever. The Staph autumn malaria. So these are the Plasmodium. The primary host is a female Anopheles and secondary host is human being. But some in book or medical book, the written primary host is human being and secondary host is female Anopheles. But according to zoologist and the NCERT book, the Plasmodium, in Plasmodium vivax or ovale, the primary host is female Anopheles because sexual reproduction takes place in the female Anopheles, orthopoda, and asexual reproduction takes place in human being. So this is the human being is secondary host and female Anopheles is a primary host. It is very important. Monocyst is also example, and Babesia and Thaleria present in the cattle. So Babesia is also called cattle tick fever. That is Babesia bigemina, Babesia mutans. And Thaleria is also disease in the cattle. Thaleria parva, Thaleria mutans. And the Emeria and Coccidia, that causes the infection in poultry. So these are the example of the Asporozoans. So this overall character of protozoa and their examples. Thank you.